The firearms market is one of the oldest industries in America. But how do you bring a business with such a long history into the digital age, serving a new generation of customers online? This is the mission of the market's newest public company, GrabAGun, ticker PEW. Their tale is about their journey to the public market. Just this week, on July 16th, GrabAGun completed its SPAC merger and began trading on the New York Stock Exchange. This story isn't just about selling guns. It's about a tech-focused company aiming to dominate the online firearms and ammo space. Bringing e-commerce efficiency to a historically brick-and-mortar industry, will a digital-first approach revolutionize firearms retail? Let me know your thoughts. Remember, this is not financial advice. You're watching Stockteller, where every ticker has a tail.